Imagine opening Instagram and seeing a message from someone who doesn't exist, but talks like a friend. That's exactly what Meta just launched. AI characters built into WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. But are they just helpful tools, or something else entirely? Today, we're diving deep into Meta's newest AI rollout, how it works, why it's trending, and the privacy questions it raises. Meta AI characters are chatbot personalities powered by Meta's latest AI model, Llama 3. Each one has a name, style, and purpose, like Billie, a travel expert, Victor, a fitness coach, or Amber, your personal life coach. Some even use the likeness of real celebrities, which makes them feel familiar, friendly, and very real. But remember, you're not chatting with a person. You're interacting with a trained AI. These characters are now part of your everyday apps. You can message them directly on Instagram, WhatsApp, or Messenger. They pop up during chats, search, or even suggest themselves in conversations. At first glance, it feels helpful. But here's the big question. What happens to the data you're sharing? Meta's AI can answer questions, tell stories, give recommendations, or just chat. It remembers your tone, adapts to your style, and tries to be human-like. It can joke, flirt, guide you, and even say things like, "I understand how you feel." It's programmed empathy, but it works. And that's where the illusion becomes powerful. People start forming emotional bonds with something that isn't real. Let's talk privacy. According to Meta's own statements, they can store and review your conversations with AI. They say it's to improve the experience, but in reality, it means every word you type may be analyzed. AI learns from you, your language, behavior, emotions. It builds a digital map of who you are. And if that information is stored, it can be used for targeted ads, algorithm training, or worse, surveillance. Remember Facebook's past? Privacy isn't their strong suit. So should we really trust Meta with this much access? Experts are raising concerns. Some say these AI personalities could influence opinions, shape emotions, and even subtly manipulate users. What about younger users? These AI bots may seem harmless, but they could replace real friendships, affect mental health, or even be used in inappropriate ways if misused. And without knowing it, people might reveal sensitive personal information, believing they're just chatting casually. So, should you try these AI characters? If you do, be aware. Treat them like public spaces. Don't share personal details. Don't treat them like real friends, and read the fine print. Tips to stay safe. Turn off AI chat suggestions if you don't want them. Don't enter private or financial information. Teach your children not to trust AI personalities blindly. AI is becoming part of our everyday lives. That's a fact. But we need to question how it enters our world, especially when it's disguised as something personal. The line between digital tools and emotional manipulation is getting thinner. And in Meta's case, with their history, we owe it to ourselves to stay informed, not just impressed. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of AI in real life. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep questioning what's behind the screen.